I'm on a mission to find every bird in the world, and we had just been abandoned in Bolivia.
Our tour guide has just driven off without us in the middle of nowhere for birds. We've got to catch up to our tour guide before they leave us. We've got to keep up this pace. There are so many alpacas. Who knew a place like this existed? I see them. We need to make it to the car. There's a llama drinking from the water. How can I not stop and take a photo of that? This is beautiful. The ibis again. We made it. We saw the Puna ibis.
Very cool.
It was cool.
And even though we kept our group waiting, it was worth it because we found this guy.
What the hell is he doing?
Oh man, well done, I told you.